Oh my god, this tower.
Basically bare Reddit.
Basically League of Legends egen Reddit.
Yeah.
This tower!
You fucked up.
No,
Don't want to
man.
get hooked.
This tower has got to be fucking kidding me. Like, I was standing there.
Oh, hello, Quinn.
I fucking think League of Legends.
The tower range goes to there, I think.
Yeah, boy!
Like, I was already out of tower range. Like, I walked back out of tower range, but it still felt like giving me 2 shots because she stunned me there.
Hej.
Ja, det må du gøre.
Helt morgen.
Jo.
Helt tiden.
Jeg skal hilse fra Benjamin.
Please.
Igen, Benjamin. Woo! Double clip, boy!
Oh man, you are so good at farming.
Hey, boy!
Oh my god, damn.
Oh man, she are getting destroyed like me.
Oh, this
It's
is
fine. That's fine. That's fine. I mean,
5-0. Fucking
that's fine.
Of course, you said you didn't want to play with me. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, there's a Rammus here. Let's go. I've got slow.
Go away, go away, go away.
Why?
That's why.
Don't,
And
yeah.
dig out. Oh.
Don't break it! Don't break it!
Yeah,
Good
boy!
Good bait.
That's
Nice.
actually-
Nice.
Nice base. Nice base.
Like how we
Hey,
got
Vince, I'm here to support
they
you.
got no kills.
I just walked all the way from the bottom lane. So. I came, I saw, and I did absolutely nothing.
Men vi kan stadig fight. Og jeg er ligeglad med, at du ikke har noget AP. Emil Torben op, bare det bare nu, altså.
Oh, Lux is
You got?
missing. Careful.
No, she's not.
Oh.
Ja, det gør du under vores tårn. Et tårn, du
Nej.
tæller basically som en extra champion, faktisk lidt en champion.
Det okay, så gør jeg det ikke.
Altså, lad være. Okay, du kan faktisk gøre det.
Det er du, man. Hvad snakker du om, med?
Oh, that highlight is gonna be epic.
Like I
Can't
can,
really
mate.
do much more.
Mate, you really should have P for me.
Yeah.
I love you.
I have TP, but
Have fun.
Jax is also fed.
Ooh, the gold man.
Oh my god.
The reason he did that was because of my fucking
Really
shit.
looking for a fight.
Caitlyn is right here.
Coming. Nice. Nice.
Good job. Go. Oh, this. Can't see shit. I'm just gonna open.
Oh, the poison, man.
Yeah, my shit just saved my ass.
Fuck is the freaking Yeah, kill her. Nice. Kill that. Push this shit. Push it. Oh
Yeah, okay,
my
we got
god.
Ace, we got Baron buff. We can do this. We have 30 seconds. 30 seconds, boys.
There's a kid. She's spawning in 5
Yeah,
seconds.
but she can't do
Easy.
shit. She can't
Easy.
Yeah, just finish.
Easy.
Easy, boys.
G. Nice.
GG. GG, boys. Nice fight.
Nice game, bros.
That game felt good.
Hvad kom gang i, mand?
Dab. Gik kun ind og dab sig selv. Du er stadig bare i gang med at købe. Jeg er på vej bot lane. If you hear me humming, you know I'm coming. Please don't. Oh yes! A kill! A double kill! Oh, maybe a nipple. Never mind. Ja, jeg har en. Bare tank. Yes! Fuck your Chrysler, man! The support is on killing spree. 10 out of 10. Would do again.
Oh, wombo combo, bitch!
Do a rampage, mate. Double kill. Is this a triple? I got it.
Let's
GG,
fucking
win.
go,
Win. Great top.
Nej, men så hold op med at tilt, mand.
Jeg elsker at tilte. Det ved du også godt. Kom her. Fuck den brud. Fuck.
Ja.
Her. Kom.
Give me.
Oh!
Come. You tank, and we knighted it.
And I'm not getting any of these last hits.
Farm with your abilities, Vince. That's how people usually
Yeah.
sort people out of the lane.
But my E like doesn't get me any of.
LOL, Rasmus. Keep fucking running, mate. Damn. Okay, no.
Nice, nice.
Dig snak med min mor? Ja. Jo, go ahead. Snak du bare med hende.
Så prøv lige hen Så prøv lige hen.
Hvad var det, han lavede, Rasmus?
Han var stok mellem to minions.
Ja. Man, I hate fucking Riven. She just escaped barely, man.
Riven is fucking overpowered.
She's
Har
like...
du ikke været død til hende?
Nej, men jeg er lige outtraded hende. Jeg vinder hver gang vi fightede. Hun aktiverede ultimate, ikke? Og så gik jeg bare ham på hende, og så har hun 100 liv, og så escaper hun, fordi hun bare kan blive ved med at jump, og hoppe, og jump, og hoppe, og jump. Og så smider jeg min Q efter hende, ikke? Og så hopper hun lige igen, og jumper lidt igen, og hopper igen, og jumper igen, og hopper igen. Og fucking jumper igen!
Var det godt, mand?
Jeg kan ikke mærke min hånd.
Good job.
Woo! Riven!
She's just
Riven! Woo! Woo! Okay. Oh, hey.
like how you do it.
Lol, what?
Woo!
Nice one. It's so funny. Such a bitch.
Man, I can't farm under tower.
Yeah, that's the big problem. But like when you hit level 6, you could go
Whoa, that
all right now.
Good later.
You're good at the
But
game
right
right
now
now.
I can't ward anymore.
Bay life in yourself, man. So wait some seconds. Just like now I have both my axes. That's like the most important thing about it.
Hey, don't worry, man. I just soloed him. Easy game, easy life.
Poppy.
Jamen, jeg
Eller-
tager dig ikke. Jeg blev taget.
Ja, men er mit omvendt.
Ja. Du skal passe på.
Jeg har heal, så
Okay.
det er ikke så mange. Det er bange. Jeg ved ikke, om jeg bare skal heal nu.
Det ved jeg heller ikke, om du skal.
Nice.
Du skal nu.
Jeg skal
Det
passe på.
Du skal hele.
Det har jeg gjort.
Okay, fint.
Nice.
What, man?
Happening?
Come in.
Oh, what?
What is happening in bot lane?
Like I was
Just like made the biggest bait in my life.
I was
You know, I'm a big fat
I
fuck.
really like that Toro.
Ulting all the way from base. Let me get you by, please. Never mind. Oh, I got assist. Fucking god. Look at the assist.
Finally, he made some kills.
Finally, he made some plays.
Oh, the tower is poking me.
I don't want you to win. Please don't win.
Shut up, man.
Right.
It's fucking ranked, of course we're going to win.
Fucking tryhards. Filthy casuals. Du ved godt, du bare kunne gå op og vundet, ikke?
Jo.
I want to try something.
Let's get all inhibitors for the fucking...
Nope.
Okay, fuck that.